Here's how to upload a video to YouTube in under 3 minutes. I'll show you how to upload, add details, and publish your video. The first thing you want to do is go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Go to your profile picture, click, and open YouTube Studio. Then you want to go top right and click Create. Then Upload Videos. Select Files. Find the file you want to upload, double click, and then you'll get the opportunity to add some details. The first thing you want to do here is make sure that the title is what you want. Go down to Description, add a description. Then you can go down to Thumbnail. So we'll click Upload File, upload our own thumbnail. Go down to Playlist, select New Playlist, name it, and click Create. Click Done, and that video is now in that playlist. If it's not made for kids, be sure to say no. Click Show More. If you didn't use AI to create the video, then select No. Go through these, select what works best for you, add some tags if you like, select your video language, go down, ask for putting it into a category to wherever your video fits best. And then you can click Next. Click Next. It does copyright checks. It appears to be good. I'm going to select private, but it's best to let your video set a little bit, let all the processing finish before you go public. So if I save private, click Save, there's the video. I can go right here at any time and make adjustments to it, or I can go here and change it from private to public. Okay, folks, if you want more videos like this, just come back to see us. If you've got some topic suggestions or some things you would like to see presented on the channel, just let me know in the comments. And if it's within reason, I just might give it a try.